Preeti, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Thanks for giving an opportunity, sir. And
Yep.
yeah. My question is regarding my
You
career,
are
sir.
you are you are the last lucky person today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
My question is regarding my career, sir. Right now, I'm 43, but still unsettled in my career. So I just want to know, like, whether how is my career profession right now? I want settlement, sir.
Okay, you have your birth date time.
Yes, sir.
Give
I'm
me the
Preeti,
birth
sir.
date.
My
Yes.
date of birth is 13/10/1980.
Time of birth,
Is 4:20 p.m.
place of birth.
Hyderabad, sir. Hyderabad.
Telangana.
Telangana.
Sukino Bhavantu Vazhavadam. You are running Venus Dasa in the 6th house and Venus star owning the 3rd house and 8th house. What are you complaining? Yeah, you are running Venus Dasa, Shukra Dasa. Shukra is in Moon star, 9th house. Don't worry, yeah, you will have good amount of money. You don't have to worry
It's not
much.
regarding money, sir. Touch wood, money related issues I don't have. But professional career settlement is not there, sir.
You don't be scared. Everything will work out fine. You are not destined to make huge name, fame, and professional success and all that. Money wise, you will have sufficient money in life. Okay.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. You
So
don't go after professional success in life. That's not your forte. It's not going to happen.
Okay.
Money is
So
coming now. Take it and enjoy it. That's it. For your heart's content, try and do something in as a hobby, as maybe social work, teach children, or volunteer in some spiritual or religious organization. Something that will give you soul satisfaction. Keep it outside of your profession.
okay, sir.
That will happen.
Right now, to be very precise, I have started pranic healing. I
Ah,
started learning pranic healing and little bit of astrology also, sir. So to have
good.
society. So can I move ahead in that area?
Give me a random number for this question, please. 1 to 249, random number.
127.
127. Hold on. Astrology, pranic healing, etc. Ninth house, everything is in ninth house. Ninth house starts in Gemini at 137. Sublord is Mercury in the star or Venus owns deposited in the 10th house, owning the Lagna Bhava. But some struggle will be there, hidden small trouble, etc. will be there, but 100% you can succeed. You can get your name, fame, etc. Everything in that work only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can earn some amount of money. Side income also will come out of it. Certainly, astrology will come for you because ninth house sublord itself is Mercury. And ninth house, ninth bhava is also owned by Mercury. And 12th bhava is also owned by Mercury. These are all good signs. And Mercury is in Venus star. Venus is owning the Lagna bhava deposited in the 10th bhava. So 100% sure success will be there for you. Fulfillment, 11th house of Lord, Venus in Saturn star, Saturn sub in the 5th house. You will thoroughly enjoy doing this.
Yes, sir. And right now, when I moved to this particular line last year, really I'm enjoying a bit, and I have seen a lot of positive change in me, sir.
Correct. For somebody to become astrologer, somebody to do pranic healing, etc., ninth house sublord should be strong. The ninth house sublord in the star should signify
Yes, sir.
various houses, particularly 4, 9, 11, 12, 2, 6. All these combinations will help you. In your
Yes.
case, 1 and 10 are coming, and therefore you will certainly enjoy yourself. Don't have to worry about it. Also, you will continue to do this. Study astrology if you're interested. I'm happy to teach you.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure you've seen the website. We have this learnastrologyonline.in. We have two courses online. One is the um, foundation course, which is free, and there is an advanced course. And there is currently it is selling at 25,900, but I will give you a further discount. Contact me through WhatsApp. You
Okay.
can, in fact, if you go to the advanced astrology course, it will itself will give you if you click on this enroll course, you can go for easy installment or lifetime 25,900. Let's say do this, okay, and then you check out, you create a username password if you have one. Let me just do that. All right, let me just show you how to do this. Create an account, it's already there. All right. Okay, hold on a second, please.
Yes, sir.
If you go to that page, you will actually see the coupon code pop up. Let me just copy the password. All right, login. Now this is my admin account in any case. So here I'm already enrolled in this course, but just want to show you how
Yes.
it works. So there is 25,900. Then you click OK, go to the next one. And here it will show you a promo code. Okay,
Okay.
ADV25. Just
Okay.
click on apply here. The price goes down to 19,837, which include the 412 rupee handling fees. Okay, and you can click on proceed to payment, and it accepts online payments, UPI payments, credit card, debit card. It's very safe. I use Razorpay, which is the perhaps India's most secure. So you have all of these options.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
And if it also has the ability to do EMI. So you can take this and put it into EMI also if your card supports EMI.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Okay, sir.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you
Welcome
so much,
all.
sir.
All the very best to you. Good luck to you, Preeti. Be
Thank you.
blessed.